Hey guys, today I'll be opening a very squished Minions surprise egg, and hopefully this little bugger over here, my cat, won't get in the picture, but whatever. I'll just shoo her away if she does. So, let's open it. It's kind of frozen because it was melted and I had to see I knew she'd come in. What's that? Okay, you gotta go away. That's nothing for you. So, let's see if I can open it even though it's frozen. I hope I get Bob. If it goes black, what do I do? I don't think it only does that in the sun. Okay, we can open it. Put that aside for now. Oh, I did get Bob. I have to put it together. Some assembly acquired. He's playing a guitar. Okay. Isn't that cute? So yeah, I got Bob playing a guitar. And we're clear. Dad, stop the video. Stop the video. Stop the video. Don't. I mean it.
Unnecessary zoom. Unnecessary zoom.
Okay, stop it.